Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today we're talking about how to seal the grout on your tile floor. Stick with me and we'll go through all the steps and make sure it gets done right. Alright, so today I'm going to be using this 511 H20 Plus sealer. I just picked it up at Menards. It's a water-based sealer. It's good for marble, granite, quartz, and it's also good for grout. It should work for what we're trying to do today. The one thing you want to make sure you understand about sealer is it's not really waterproof. It's going to be more for protecting it from stains and making it look better. So to apply it today, I just have a measuring cup and a foam brush. Now, depending on the size of your surface, you may actually want to use more, maybe a paintbrush or even a mop to put it on. But that really depends on the size of your surface. But basically how this works is you're just going to put it on. You're just going to put it on the grout, and then after about 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to wipe it off and before it dries. But that's pretty much about it, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get started, the one thing we want to make sure we do is we want to clean our surface. So go ahead and go through, clean all your grout lines, get all the dust and debris off. You also want to clean your tile if you have tile or stone or whatever you have. Make sure that's cleaned up because you don't want to be wiping stuff unintentionally into your grout lines. But once that's done, we can go ahead and we can get started. So I'm just going to pour my sealer into my measuring cup here, set that off to the side. Really all I'm going to do is, I'm not going to make it too thick, but I'm just going to go along my grout lines like here. Keep going down. And you'll be able to see the discoloration as the sealer starts to soak in. And when that's done, like I said, we're going to wait, and we'll go ahead and wipe that off after 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now that we've waited our recommended 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and just go through and wipe everything off. For me, like I said, this is a small surface, so I can actually do it all at once, come back and wipe it down. If you have a larger surface, you definitely want to break it off into smaller chunks. Something that you can do within 5 minutes, come back, wipe it all off. Like I said, next we're just going to wipe everything down here. Okay, so now that we've wiped everything off, I mean, that's really all there is to it. We really want to stay off the floor now for 24 to 72 hours. And if you need another coat, you can do another coat. It just really depends on the surface you're using. I probably will not put another coat on this. We'll kind of see how it turns out after I wait the recommended 24 hours or so. Alright, you know the drill. Make sure you like and subscribe below to get the newest videos and the most recent updates. And make sure you turn on notifications to get alerted as soon as they come out.